Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable birthday notifications on the Instagram app for PC, especially after the latest update. If you find those birthday alerts popping up a bit too often and want to turn them off, this quick guide will help you do just that in a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, look to the left side menu. Here, you'll see several icons. Click on the one labeled More. This icon usually looks like 3 horizontal dots or lines, depending on your version. After clicking More, a menu will appear. From there, select Settings. This is where you can customize many aspects of your Instagram experience. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Instagram, from likes and comments to friend requests and, of course, birthdays. Next, go to Push Notifications. Push notifications are the alerts that pop up on your device even when you're not actively using the app. Scroll down until you find the Birthdays option. Here, Instagram gives you the choice to receive notifications about your friends' birthdays. To stop these birthday alerts, simply select Off. Once you do this, Instagram will no longer send you notifications about birthdays, helping you keep your notification feed cleaner and less distracting. And that's it. You've successfully disabled birthday notifications on Instagram for PC. This small change can make your Instagram experience more focused and less cluttered with alerts you don't want. Remember, you can always come back to these settings if you want to turn birthday notifications back on or adjust other notification preferences. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more personalized Instagram experience without those birthday reminders.